Boy, I've missed you guys. Gee whiz, good to be back. My name is Pierre. I'm a fisherman and a pensioner, and yeah, been away for a couple of weeks, 3 weeks, but today, Thursday, it is cold. It's only about 10 degrees, but not a breath of wind. Can't see a cloud anywhere. I mean, why wouldn't you? So it's just after 8:30 in the morning. Thursday, as I said, late May, so I suppose it is winter. I've got to be back by 1:30 this afternoon, the Admiral Leeson motorcar, and so it's going to be a quick trip out there, see if we can catch something, shoot some video. I've got the usual pulleys, but I've got one of these as well. So skipjack will use this as a bit of bait and see if we can get any luck with that. But we're going to have a look at Sergeant's Channel, Spot X, otherwise down to probably the trenches, Hauraki Bay, and then back again. I need to be back at home by 1:30, so here goes nothing. And of course today's video, or this week's video is sponsored by Top Catch Half Moon Bay. So Cliff at Top Catch, thanks mate. And you guys pop into Top Catch Half Moon Bay, walk in through the door and say fish on! And say Pierre sent you, and Cliff will do you a deal. Thanks Cliff. Hey. We steamed out to Sergeant's Channel, quite near Spot X. There were fish on the fish finder, so I stopped here. Spot X is just there. Crusoe Island's over this side. Motorhe Island there. Waiki behind me. I've dropped an anchor. We're not deep. We're in, gosh, 5 meters of water. I didn't think it would be that shallow. There is a bit of a pinnacle in this area, so we're on the shallow spot of it. Water temperature 16.9, so the water's reasonably cold, but we'll put some bait down and see what happens. It'd be rude not to, I suppose. So stand by. Fish on! Woo-hoo-hoo! Not long. Oh, he's not. He's a snapper. Oh gosh. Gosh, he's half a decent snapper. Gosh. Oh, look at that. Look at that for the first fish of the day. Beautiful. There we go. He's not bad. He's probably about a 29, 30. But the first fish of the day goes back, and we'll treat him with a little bit of respect. Off we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Fish on! Yeah, we're on again. He bobbed up and down and he's run. So there he goes. And he's only under the boat. He's running forward. Oh, there he goes. Ah! Running again. Jumping. I suspect it's a carway. Gosh. He's a big one. It's a big carway. Look at that. Gosh. Gosh, look at that. Fish number 2. Carway. Right, let's get rid of him. Ah, gosh. hoping it busts himself off. Oh, there he goes. We've had a big hit on this rod, on the light rod. And the big rod's going off. There's nothing on here, he's taking it. Oh, yep, the big rod's going off. There we go, look at that. Something on there, and he's running. It's probably a kahawai. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's turn you guy around. Yeah, he's running. Fish on! This way again. Getting closer, he's not a snapper. Give me a kahawai when he's under the boat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, big kahawai again. Yeah. There he is. Another big nice kahawai. Yeah. Not what I'm targeting. Get off. Gosh. Gosh, he's a big boy. And strong. They put up such a fight, these guys. Gotcha. Caught him on the side of the lip. So have a look at that. Big kahawai. Off you go. Oh, just dropping it down, haven't even set it yet. And it's bobbing. Gosh, as it hit the bottom, a little snapper had a go. The top bait hasn't even been touched yet. Right, I've already baited that. Let's get that down. And take a few moments just to bait the other rod. The other rod's just sitting there, I'm sure it's got no bait on it. We'll let Rodney hold the fish this one. And you guys watch that. I'm going to get this one in. Hope you're watching. Hope you're watching. Oh, gosh. Right. Right, how did it go? Did we get anything on there? Let's have a look. See if you guys are paying attention. Oh, both baits are gone. You should have called me. Here we go. Fish on! Woo-hoo-hoo. Stay on. What's going on here? What's going on? Ah, don't tell me it's a kahawai again. He's wandering around a bit of a pinwheel going on. Yeah, he's a kahawai. Gosh. Oh no, he's not. He is a Trevally. We might have to measure him and have a look. We do like our Trevally, and you can keep them if they're a bit smaller. This one here is not a bad Trevally. He's 32. So we'll put him in the bin. Woo-hoo-hoo. Right, you guys watch that, because I've started sweating here. I've got to get my jumper off, and I haven't had a chance yet. It was cold this morning, but I have worked up a bit of a sweat. So you guys watch there while I get my jumper off. And give me a shout. Give me a shout if you see the rod bobbing. Oh, gosh, that feels better already. Whew. There we go. Well done. Oh gosh. Yep, he's there. Fish on! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I haven't baited the other rod, got it back in the water yet. This one's been too busy. That's a snapper. It's not a snapper. It looks like a snapper, but snapper are bigger. So treat it with a bit of respect. Here you go. And he's gone. Oh, fish on the drop. On the drop. What have we got here? Oh, a snappy. Not too bad. We're getting up there. That one there, he's 29. Off you go. Oh! Come on. Yes. So that there, so the battery on the GoPro has gone flat. I needed to change it, but that there, that's a 38 centimeter snapper. So the battery went flat in there, and while I was trying to change it, caught 3 snapper. One of them's a 38 centimeter, so he's in the bin. So we got snapper and a trev in the bin. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's get some bait down. Oh gosh, no rest for the wicked. Fish on! I haven't had a chance to talk to you about anything else. All I'm doing is baiting and catching, baiting and catching. And look at that. Probably measurable. Gosh. So that there is a 32 centimeter snapper. So he's gone in the bin. I've changed the setup with the cameras because I want to, because I want to put the 360 degree up here, the Insta, and get a bit more action there. And I need to talk to you guys about a few things. But get this bait down anyway. The fish finder's going absolutely mad here behind me. Put that one in there. And Rodney Holder's already got someone on there. Oh gosh, fish on! Let's get it up and move. Yep. Put a bit of a fight. I'll get you guys down here to have a look. I'll hold you there. And he's a little snapper. I've got no baits down and I'm busy fiddling with the cameras. Have a look at this. Yeesh, I better get some bait down quick, smart. So I've noticed there was a spot on the lens, and you guys didn't tell me that. I've only just noticed it, so I don't know how long it's been there. But I've cleaned that off. So there's no age-old question about how many fishing rods does a fisherman need? How many fishing rods is a good answer, is a good number. Now I've got 3 rods at home and I've got 3 on the boat. I've got the 2 big akumas, or bigger than, and the little light one. So I've got 3 akumas on the boat and I've got 3 at home. So that's 6 rods, and you'd think that's enough. Well, apparently not. So I've been out and I spent, I bought myself another rod. And I spent $3 on a new rod. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Nice soft handle, ratchet, winder, and a nice flexible shaft. So there's rod number 7 on OutSmart. And today we're going to christen the new rod and see if it's any good. Stand by. Check this out. I'm trying to get a brake to rig up the new rod, and there's something on this one. Let's get it up. Come on! Running on him now. Doesn't feel like it. It's going again. It doesn't feel like a snapper. If he is, he's big. Oh yeah, there he goes again. Look at this. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can. Yeah, he's bobbing. Don't know what he is. Watch you down, you guys down over there. Getting closer. Oh, he's going that way. Oh, he's a. Oh, look at this! Look at this! This has got to be the season of the witch. Look at that! Ah! Ah! Look at that! That is the donkey. We have a donkey, an official. Stay in the boat. Stay in the boat. Gosh, and he's heavy. Gosh. Get that one out of the way. The sinker's gone. Let's hold that up. Look at that. Look at that. That there. Ah! That there. Look at that. Look at that. Woo. That there. Let's measure it. He is a 55 centimeter snapper. That has got to be my best for this boat, I reckon. It's a PB for the boat, and I haven't even tried out the new rod. This guy is a beauty. It's got to be the season of the witch. Look at that! Ah! Ah! Look at that! That is the donkey. We have a donkey, an official. Stay in the boat. Stay in the boat. Gosh, and he's heavy. Gosh. 6 centimeter snapper. Hold tight, hold tight. In the burn. Gosh. And the fish finder's going off. And I've got the 360 camera going. I've lost the sinker on that one, and I've lost the hook, and I've got bait ready for the new rod. Haven't had a chance to use the new rod. Might rig that up and get it out. Oh, gosh, that was a sweat. Right, let's get this new rod down. So with the new rod, I'm going to go with, I've got a 3-hook ledger rig here, but they are small hooks. So I'll put them down because I don't want to catch, well, I don't know. I don't want to break the new rod on a 56 centimeter snapper. So this should be interesting. So we've got the little rod going, and I'll tap on the lever here and let the, oops, the line goes down. Oh, it's getting down. Oh, what have I done? I think we're on the bottom. Let's give it a couple of nudges and a line. Are we on the bottom? Yep, we're on the bottom. Getting a bit of action. Oh, gosh. I think I got a fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! And he's taking a line, the ratchet doesn't work. Fish on! And the ratchet doesn't work. I need two hands on this thing. Well, the ratchet's designed to allow him to take line. He's taking line. Fish on! Come on up. Come on up. Yeah. First drop on the new rod, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I think he's gone. No, he's there. He's going again. Look at that. Come on up. He's a snapper. He's bobbing like a snapper. Gosh, what a good little rod this. Oh no, he's not a snapper. He's a Trevally. I think he's a Trevally on the new rod. Okay, I need two hands for this. Look at that. A Trevally on the new rod. First drop on the new rod, and we've got ourselves a Trevally. He's on the small side, and we've got a lot of meat in the bin. So I'm going to put you back, buddy. We could probably keep you, but shame. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Off you go. And the new rod works a treat. I'll have to get it down again. Fish on! Fish on! And he's taking a line, the ratchet doesn't work. Fish on! And the ratchet doesn't work. I need two hands on this thing. Well, the ratchet's designed to allow him to take line. He's taking line. Fish on! Come on up. Come on up. Yep. First drop on the new rod, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I think he's gone. No, he's there. He's going again. Look at that. And he's away. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on up. He's a beautiful snapper. I won't keep him, but gosh, he's a beautiful fish. Look at that. Just putting one bait on, and they jump. The fish are jumping on the boat. I'll have a look at this. Morning. I like your boat. Come have a look at this. Come have a look at this. Don't you like that?
That's very nice.
And I've got 3 or 4 others and a Trevally. Not too shabby, about to pack up and go as well. What do you do? Oh, he's going to show me his now. Show me yours, I'll show you mine. Oh, what did that get sharp?
It's only a tiddler.
Oh, you cut the head off, yeah.
Well, my wife wants to smoke it. So we've got to go home and cut it down.
Yeah, yeah. Nice. Yeah. I've had quite a few small ones go. I've hooked the bottom of that one, but I'm about to pack up and go. Yes? You want to be on it? No.
fishing,
Well, I'm down to the last bait. I think the bait's gone off. I've still got that skipjack, but I'll pass it on to one of the other fishermen who got spent time the rest of the day out here. I've basically got to get back, so I've got the last bait down. I'll let Rodney hold a fish in. And so the tide's turned. We're fishing on the incoming tide. The tide has turned. We got to high tide, and now it's going to slow down and turn and start going out. We're fishing in 6 meters of water, 6 or 7 meters of water. It's not deep here, and the water temperature is 17 degrees, so it is cold. It is winter fishing, but beautiful. And I've marked the spot. Last bait of the day. I've marked the spot. We've got Crusoe Island over there, Motuhi Island over there, Waiheke Island over there, the Noises in Rakina. So we're in Sergeant's Channel, just north of Crusoe Island. I might reel that in so we can get going. Woohoo! Fish on! Oh yep, oh yep, last fish of the day, and he's fighting. Oh, he's come loose. Oh well, I think I'm going to pack up. It's only 11:15. I'm going to pack up and head home. Plenty of meat on board. Boy, what a day. How you guys going? Oh, we've got a 56 centimeter snapper.
I don't believe you.
I've got some spare bait. You guys want some bait?
Yeah, they think you should. Is it big one?
The big one's in here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Shiny. Oh, it's a snapper. Oh, let's see this puppy. One day I'll get one of those.
One day.
Okay, one
You
day,
got some big buggers there too.
Yeah.
Check this one.
Oh, fuck, that's nice.
Oh?
Hey? That's great. That's not.
Ah! Yeah, I've got to head home, so you guys can use that bait, eh?
Thank you very much.
No worries. It's compliments of Top Catch Half Moon Bay. Thank you, Seabridge. I lost my job at the bank yesterday. An old lady asked me to check her balance, so I pushed her home. Oh dear. Well, there you have it, another beautiful day out on the water. Look at this. Absolutely magnificent. A couple of nice, reasonable sized pannies, snappers, and one donkey. And Trevally. All a really good, successful trip out. Thanks, Cliff, for the bait and the ice at Top Catch Half Moon Bay. You guys get a chance, pop in there. But other than that, if you like the video, smash us a like. And if you're not already subscribed, I really ask you please to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, you don't get spam or anything like that. It helps me get my numbers up for YouTube. Those who have subscribed, thank you very much. And of course those new subscribers in the last few weeks, I think we've had about 15 or 16 new subscribers. Cheers guys, thank you and welcome aboard.